Back in June, I had a mishap with my first CIJ model as I accidentally erased the footage. Today I will make up for this with the real first CIJ model on the channel. Hi everyone, I'm Johan and this is Belgian Diecast Restorations, your place for diecast factory resets and makeovers.
Welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations.
CIJ, which is short for Compagnie Industrielle du Jouet or Industrial Toy Company, was created in 1920 by Fernand Migaud. It produced mainly diecast models until its demise in 1967. The Renault Floride was number 358 in the CIJ line. The models produced in a variety of colors, including this pinkish red. The play value consisted of a removable top and an opening front trunk. After the success of the German Volkswagen Beetle and Karmann Ghia in the US, Renault wanted a piece of the cake. The introduction of the Renault Dauphine in the US market, however, bombed. In 1958, Renault developed a convertible that was mainly aimed at the American market, the Renault Floride, which was sold in the US as a Renault Caravelle. It came with a rear-mounted 4-cylinder engine with first 3 and then 4 gears, which could deliver top speeds between 125 and 145 km per hour. However, akin to the failure of the Dauphine, the sales of the Caravelle did not take off in the US. The remaining stock was shipped to France, where Renault successfully managed to sell it off, and thus ended Renault's adventures in the USA. Luckily, this model stems from the time when the good people at CIJ finally came to their senses and understood that plastic wheels and rubber tires were a bad combination. The hubs are finely metal, although the rubber tires suffer from the same problem as all the other rubber tires. 2 are gone and the remaining 2 are close to crumbling to dust. The car is also missing its roof, windows and steering wheel. We will also see why. So let's get to tools and give this model a makeover. After losing the footage of my first CIJ restoration, this is a second attempt at this French brand. This model of the Renault Floride is a later model with windows, and apparently the people at CIJ were still trying to figure out how to attach those. The windscreen was wedged between the top and bottom part of the car and got lost very early on, along with the top and the transparent steering wheel. The tires have all perished and the model is in need of a respray. I like how the light blue looks on this car, along with the new white tires and black interior. The car also received a new windscreen and top. However, the third-party window is an even worse fit than the original, to say the least, and so is the top. After assembly, I managed to lower the windscreen a little using hot air, but still doesn't fit very well. To the makers of these third-party windows, there's room for improvement. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, as this helps my videos to climb up in YouTube's algorithm. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.
Belgian Diecast Restorations.